Imagination Technologies officially put its entire business up for sale, full stop, after Apple rather abruptly bid it goodbye. But since the new fall iPhone design is settled by now, this cancellation of a years-long agreement will officially go into effect in about 13 to 22 months. Before that, Imagination had been making the graphics chips for all iPhones and iPads for years. This ugly breakup first started in April when UK-based Imagination put out a surprisingly frank statement saying they'd lost the patronage of the monolith and that Apple said it's designing its own graphics processor units. Imagination then went on to say it believes Apple is likely to infringe on Imagination patents with upcoming GPU designs. But in any case, Apple will not pay it any longer. Just a doozy all around. Following that, Imagination stock did a sickening nosedive by nearly 70% because Apple made up so much of its business. But this recent for sale sign stake made shares jump by the teens. Thursday, Imagination says it already has a number of suitors waiting to take it on. But it also said it remains in dispute with Apple. So hell hath no fury like a chipmaker scorned with patents on the line. And whatever happens with Imagination, all eyes are now on Apple for its eventual in-house GPUs and whether they stack up to what other phone makers are using. You can catch up with Engadget Today on our site's homepage, then click on Videos.